Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can go back to TV from YouTube. It's very easy to do. First, take your remote control and find the home or source input button on your phone. On some remotes it might be labeled as TV, Live TV or Exit instead. If you press home, it should take you to your TV's main menu where you can find options for Live TV. If you press search or input, it will show a list of available input like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, TV or antenna. If you see an antenna for channels, select TV or Live TV. If you have a cable box or satellite receiver, select the HDMI input where it's connected. After selecting the right input, your regular TV channels should appear. If nothing shows up, try changing channels using the channel up down button on your remote. And that's it. That's how you can go back to TV from YouTube.